With the rigger facility, normally most people think of packing parachutes, but in actuality, a very critical position in the rigger facility is the maintenance section, and our maintenance section is comprised of multiple different types of sewing machines. We currently have 4 light-duty sewing machines that are usually used to repair canopies and stuff like that. We're actually using them to make the masts. I'm just happy to be part of this. I'm glad that the soldiers that we have in our formation are able to help support the fight.
Is like set this up just so the patient meets the minimum, and then dock.
Like once you have what appears to be.
That's
Very accurate. So
all the air back out, so you can figure out what it is causing it.
I'm gonna put my PEEP at 5. I'm gonna turn
I'm not sensing it anymore. Okay, so this needs to go off here in a minute. All right, now anything I want. So you turn it on. Mainly, most times it'll first to collapse, but I want more lung space so that we can have more oxygen transfer. We actually phone calls and all that kind of stuff on here.
the second thing that I do after I look at that, just have like a once over to see if there's anything just like glaring out.
This one here just got multiple windows. Basically, you can change the way your windows look on your monitor.
What we're doing this week is SOCRATES training. That's Special Operations, COVID-19, Rapid Assessment, Treatment, and Emergency Support. And what we're doing right now is getting our guys back in a medical mindset in order to support the hospital and our local community, and running over things that they need to see in an intensive care unit or a step-down ward, all places where our medics could potentially be force multipliers for the hospital and the community and really make a difference during this time with all the coronavirus issues. If the situation continues to get worse, we could be working at almost any level with all hands on deck, just contributing in every facet to the local healthcare response to the emergency.
Two a day for almost 3 days straight.
So you just draw it up in Canada. The build job for 2 of these right now, and we're sending. What it does is it helps. I don't know if it's. Experiment with that, try to make masks. Of powder, and it burns 1/1000th of an inch of that powder.
Yeah, these things are pretty cool. We used to make bobbleheads.
Experiment with that, try to make masks. Of powder, and it burns 1/1000th of an inch of that powder.
had failed out of EOD school.
Oh, did you? Another project in a different shop. It's got a camera. As long as you're on Wi-Fi, you can actually watch the build. So, yeah. And so, no, you can buy it from all kinds of different vendors, or you. Yeah. So, so we do. The thing is set correct. It takes so much. These were not on there, and then we had it for 1/4 inch cotton webbing, or like.
Phone would do the video hours until you figure it out.
That's a,
Yeah. Well, we can always adjust the infield to.
Special Forces are used to operating in the unknown. As COVID-19 is the unknown for everybody, we saw a gap where we could help our local hospitals using our expertise and technological experience and use our 3D printers to provide materials for the hospital. Recently, the NIH had started collecting plans for different medical devices that hospitals could potentially run short on. We looked at all those plans, took the best ones that we found, and then we started adapting them. So here at the TSD, we are definitely proud and happy to be able to support the local fight against COVID-19. Our area is hit a little less hard, so we're thankful for that, but we stand ready to assist in any way we can. We identified early in our production process of these medical devices that our equipment and our personnel would not be enough to provide sufficient numbers of devices to Evans. So today we linked up with 4th ID Allied Trades guys, and they're purchasing a 3D printer. So today we basically walked them through our processes, talked about our successes and our failures, so they can be one step ahead once they get their equipment. So teamwork is inherent with what we do as Special Forces, especially operating in the unknown. You have to be able to rely on someone else besides yourself, because more hands in the fight is obviously going to be more success in the end.